This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by signing into the Google account you will host with. This ensures calendar invites and recordings link correctly. Once signed in, open Google Meet or Click Meet inside Gmail, then choose New Meeting and start Instant Meeting or Schedule in Calendar. Make sure to grant camera and microphone permissions so video and audio work. You want to confirm input and output devices now, because fixing them mid-call wastes time. Once the room exists, invite participants by copying the link or adding guests in Calendar. Set who can present versus who can only view, because control reduces interruptions. Then configure your layout and share. Click Present Now and pick a Chrome tab for smooth video, a window for an app, or entire screen for full visibility. Also toggle captions, enable host controls to mute participants if required, and choose background blur or replacement to keep the view professional. To finish, start recording before critical discussion so you capture everything. Recordings land in your drive under Meet Recordings. When done, end the meeting for everyone or leave if another host remains. Then confirm the recording finished processing in Drive. If problems occur, for example no audio, check the browser's mic permissions and your system input. Try a wired headset or reconnect Wi-Fi. If participants can't join, resend the link and verify calendar time zone. Small mismatches cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.